Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Shark 32 indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. As I said, today we will be testing the Shark 32 indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 48 different strategies, with 12 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 526 indicators, with 222 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Shark 32 indicator. Basically what this indicator does is it detects when the candle pattern for the Shark 32 comes into play with price action. Let's see if I can find an instance here. You can see them here, these green little Shark 32 pattern deals here below the price action. And so all of the signals happen below price action. Now with the Shark 32 pattern, it is a continuation pattern, and so what you're looking for is a breakout of the pattern that takes place. And so this breakout can be either to the upside or it can be to the downside. And so basically what you do is we'll wait for the Shark 32 pattern signal to the display on price action, and then we'll look for price to break and close the arrow that takes place. Now it's kind of hard to see. Let me zoom in. You can see this arrow right here, and so we're looking for price action to break and close either below that that arrow right there, or we're looking for price action to break and close in a continuation above the signal candle. And so might be a little challenging to understand, so we'll take a look at these two instances right here. So if we got the signal right here on this candle, then this candle right here would be a break to the upside, and that would be a long signal. Over here we get this signal that takes place, and then we get a break to the downside right here, and so that would be considered a short signal. Hope that makes sense. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so we get our first signal right here on this one. You can see that price action comes down and starts kind of tinkering with the lower side right here, but it doesn't actually close below this arrow right here. And so what we're looking for is price action to either close below this arrow or to close up here above this green candle right here. So let's go ahead and play it forward slowly. All right, there we go. And so this right here would be the break to the downside that we're looking for. That would be our signal to then enter. Let's go ahead and play it forward a little more. And unfortunately, that one does end up getting us stopped out. As price action pushes down a little bit, doesn't quite hit our stop, then takes off to the upside. All right, let's go ahead and continue on now that you have an idea of what we're doing here. All right, so we pick up the second signal right here on this one. Price pushes down just a little bit as we get the signal, but then boom, it breaks out to the upside. And let's see, would have been on this candle right here, slightly break to the upside and closes. And then you see price action takes off really nicely right there, getting us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. We'll probably go ahead and finish out this year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. All right, so that's everything right there. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 4 signals altogether, and we have 1 and 2 winners. So obviously that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for. This indicator was interesting. It's giving some interesting signals, but definitely signals, not at the most ideal time. So what can we say? We gave it a shot. Not that many trades either, so altogether not the best indicator. All right, so this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.